Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Sexy Tablespoon. Tonight we are going to make a super duper simple instant pot curry. So your mise en place for this recipe is going to be whatever veggies you want to put in your curry. I like to use white potatoes of some kind, white onion, carrots, sweet potatoes, some kind of squash, Japanese eggplant, and some kind of green. Tonight I'm going to use bok choy. And then of course, since it is a curry, you will need your curry spices. We have just your standard curry powder that I picked up from the health food store, but you can get curry from, virtually anywhere nowadays. I also like to add in a little bit of extra turmeric, black pepper, powdered ginger, cumin seeds, and salt. Salt is totally optional though, your choice. So most curry recipes have coconut milk in them. I don't like to use coconut milk or coconut cream because it's so fatty and I like a lighter curry. So I have two tricks to do that, and these tricks also help you get in your beans for your daily dozen. First trick is to cook the curry in the Instant Pot with yellow split peas. In the time that it takes for the curry to cook, those split peas cook and almost completely break down, and then they become quite thick. And it ends up thickening up all of the curry fluid, curry fluid, what do you call it? Liquid?
Sauce.
Yeah. There you go, it thickens up the sauce. I knew I married you for a reason. Okay, where was I?
Sauce.
Yeah, thick sauce. Now, I've been making curry that way for several months, but it still wasn't like nice and creamy like you get from the coconut cream. But I figured out a little trick. How to get the creaminess without a ton of the fat. And that is where the tofu comes in. So depending on how much tofu you need and how many people you're feeding, you'll need at least 1 block of tofu. So for the recipe that we did tonight, I'm gonna use 1 block of tofu and I'm gonna cut it in half. Half of that is gonna be put aside to make the sauce, and the other half I'm just gonna dice up into little pieces and throw it into the curry after it's cooked. The half that's for the sauce is just gonna go into the Vitamix, along with about 2 cups of almond milk. And then I'm gonna blend that on high for a few seconds until it's nice and creamy. So once you get all of the veggies and legumes into the pot that have to be cooked, I cook them on the beans setting because I've never used any other setting on the Instant Pot. I don't know how it works. And then I cook it for 15 minutes. Once the curry is done, I decompress the Instant Pot, open it up, put in the bok choy, put in the tofu cubes, and the blended tofu and almond milk to make the sauce nice and creamy. And then it's pretty much ready to serve. I garnish it with cilantro and green onion to get a little bit of nice fresh pop of flavor, and then it's ready to eat.
Sounds good. Sounds like we can start doing that last part right now.
You're hungry, aren't you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Alright you guys, that will do it for this episode of the Sexy Tablespoon. I hope you guys enjoyed and picked up some good tips for creamifying your low-fat curries. Is that weird?
Well, that wasn't weird. Creamify.
Creamify without cream fat. Lipids. Lipid solids. Let us know if you guys make this curry. Definitely take a picture of it. Put it on Instagram, #legitdelicious, #sexytablespoon. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We so appreciate it. And until next time, make better choices for yourself. No one will do it for you. And take really, really such good care. I will see you guys so soon. Bye.
Oh, yeah.
Keep her quiet.
Oh.
That's going in the bloopers. Well, but I like to use white meat. We'll wait, don't worry. Like your standard curry powder that you get from... It's done. And over. Curry, I picked... We have... curry powder that I got from the health food store. We have
That was the last.
Yep. Can't handle a little kombucha?
Oh.
What happened to my head?
You look like that Pharaoh kid from Mad Max.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Yeah.
I've been reading some like, medical articles.
That's why I don't read. God damn!
God.
I always get burned.
You do it on purpose.
I fucking
I
don't
see
do it
through
on
you.
purpose.
Oh, I'm Levi, the big sexy guy in the vegan t-shirt who just always gets burned.
So-
Poor Levi. Poor Levi.
You have to be crazy to go burn yourself on purpose.
Says the guy covered in scars, you crazy ass.
Sometimes I feel like I've been set up.
By yourself?
I don't know, by the universe.
Yeah, I think the universe does like playing with you. Because you're so cute.